Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, could you guys please let me know? Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now, guys. If you guys are able to listen to me properly and there is no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. No issues whatsoever, right, guys? Everything is fine, everything is great, right? So how are you guys? Is everybody fine? Is everybody great? Awesome. How was your day? A little bit productive, guys. How was your day? Was your day a little bit productive, guys? Was your day a little bit productive, guys? Please let me know. All good? Awesome, awesome. Great, guys. Awesome. So yesterday I gave you guys a small assignment. Did you guys try to complete the assignment, guys? Please let me know. Yesterday I gave you guys a small assignment. Did you guys try to complete the yesterday's assignment, guys? Please let me know. Did you guys try to complete the yesterday's assignment, guys? Please let me know. So what was the assignment, guys? The assignment was very simple. I told you guys to create the contact us page as well, right? The contact us page. Did you guys complete that? The contact us page, guys. Did you guys complete that? See, coming to the bootcamp is great that you guys are giving your time. You guys are coming here. You guys are learning something. But the problem with programming and learning coding is that until unless you're doing something hands-on, you're actually practicing what is being taught to you guys. I'm very saddened to tell you guys this, but the knowledge that you just here get by just listening will be lost. You guys will eventually forget what you have learned. But when you try to do it hands-on, when you try to practice it, when you try to actually practically do it, that will always become yours for a very long period of time. And that is my intention right over here. See, you practicing or not does not really affects me, right? Like I'm not even like I'm not partnered up with Repellent. I'm not getting any money for it. For you to practice something, my major aim for you to practice is very simple because you are here to learn, and my job is to make sure that you guys are able to learn to the best of your extent. So if you guys really want to learn programming, practice on a daily basis, guys. It will make sure that you are going way future, you're going way ahead in your future, guys. Okay? Try to practice everything, guys. So today what we're going to do is we're going to learn about how to send HTML files instead of just sending hello world to our front end. We are also going to start learning about what are posts. Okay, so we have learned about get request. We're going to learn about post request as well. That is what we will try to make sure that we are able to learn right over here. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. uh Tasa, it's great to have you here as well. I hope that the content is something up for you that you are able to learn a lot from. Nevertheless, as well, more boot camps are going to happen. Guys are going to learn a lot more as well, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay. So shall we start the class, guys? Please let me know. Shall we start the class, guys? Yes. Shall we start? Okay, great. So up till this point of time, I think so you guys have realized that there is a file called as the HTML file that shows how a website basically looks. So whatever website that you are able to open up, any website, let's go to Instagram.com. Okay, let's go to Instagram.com. This is DevTown's Instagram profile, guys. Okay, this is DevTown's Instagram profile. Any website that you're ever opening up, of course, you guys can also follow us on Instagram, guys. We make sure that you guys are given awesome content right over here. Let me share my screen so that you guys are able to see that. Otherwise, again, the same problem will be happening. Okay, so this is the DevTown's profile, guys. We daily try to post something that you guys might enjoy. Okay. Uh, So definitely check it out, guys. Nevertheless, this particular website, you can actually see the HTML file. If you do a right click right over here and then go to view page source. Okay, view page source, right click and then go to view page source, guys. This is the HTML file that you're able to see right over here, guys. This is the entire HTML file that is being shown to you right over here. As you're able to see, it has shown doc type HTML. The document type of this particular file is HTML, guys. So every single website that you're ever going to create will have an HTML file. That is what is being shown to you, guys. So we don't send a hello world to our front end. We send this HTML file that contains our hello world inside of it. So how can we do that? Okay, so let's see that from the perspective of, and the link to our Instagram page is down the description of the video. You guys can actually connect with me as well on LinkedIn, on Instagram, maybe with DevTown as well. All the links are down in the description of the video itself. So right over here, let me open up Repel it, and we'll use the exact same template from yesterday instead of using a new one. So this was the template that we were using yesterday. Let me open up your chat as well on my screen so that I'm able to see what you guys are. Please send links for upcoming bootcamp. So Ajanta, if you want to see what are the upcoming bootcamps, you can go to our website devtown.in. Okay, inside of that, there is this particular program that is called as free bootcamps. Okay, just click on free bootcamps itself. You will be able to see that the next bootcamp is on React.js front-end web development with React.js. So there we will be learning React.js, JavaScript, and much more right over there, guys. So just like we are learning about Node.js in the backend, Node.js, Express.js, in the exact same way, the front end is made using JavaScript and React.js. So if you guys are interested for that, do register yourself from right over here. Again, you can just go to our website devtown.in/events. We have just learned about this / thing. So you guys should be able to understand what is happening right over here. Okay, so let me open up your chat on my screen. Give me a second, guys. It is still loading up. Get a little bit smaller. And let us go to our particular Rebel it. Make it a little bit smaller, guys, so that I'm able to see everything properly. We'll open up index.js right over here. Okay, so this is what we have created up till this point of time. Now we don't want to send hello world, guys. We want to send a particular HTML file. So first we require that HTML file, right? So we'll go to our terminal, guys. Where is the terminal? Okay, I will have to. Okay, it's here itself. Then that's great. So first of all, let's do ls. Ls basically means list. Okay, it will show us all the different files and folders that are present. Our intro to Express is the particular folder where we want to go. So we'll do cd intro to Express. Inside of intro to Express, guys, let's do ls right over here. As you're able to see, we are having index.js, we are having node modules, package.json, packagelog.json. We actually want to create a particular HTML file right over here, guys. So what will be the command to create a file called as index.html? Can you guys let me know? We have already talked about this, guys. In our previous classes, we have already talked about this. How can we create a file called as index.html? Can somebody let me know? Can somebody let me know how to create a file called as index.html, guys? What will be the command? Amazing. Danish has written the first correct answer. Touch index.html. Amazing, Danish. Okay. So touch touch index.js, guys. That is what you're going to write right over here. Let's do ls once again. As you're able to see, our index.js. Okay, sorry, I've just created another index.js. Index.html is the one that I had to create. Sorry so much. HTML. Okay, let's do ls right over here, guys. As you're able to see, now our index.html file has been created. Let us look at our file system, guys, to check if it has been created or not. As you're able to see, index.html file has been created for us. Let us open that file. Let us put some template code right over here. This is the template code, guys. To put up a template code, what you can do right over here is that just press exclamation point, exclamation mark, guys, and do tab right over there. Okay, exclamation point and then tab. So that will basically write down a template code for you. We'll put the name of the website as my first website. Okay, that is the title of the website. So you don't need to understand HTML. If you're interested in understanding HTML, we'll be having a future class explaining HTML. A little bit of basics of HTML will be taught to you guys in the front end web development, React JS, and JavaScript free bootcamp that we're going to have on the 4th of November, guys. So if you are interested to learn a little bit of HTML, you can do that. Otherwise, in the future, we are going to have an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript full 7 days bootcamp where HTML will be taught to you guys in depth. For our purpose, we don't need to understand HTML right over here. So we'll directly just write down the code that is given to us, guys. So my first website, that is what I need to put up in between this title tags. And then inside of the body tag, I'll put an h1 tag, guys. So that is the h1 tag, an opening and a closing h1, and we'll put up hello world right over here, guys. And I will save this. So this is the index.html file that I've created right now. Just two changes I have made. First, between the title tags, I've changed it to my first website. You can do the exact same changes. And this is the line of particular HTML that I've written right over here. That is the only two changes that I have made. Again, nothing else. Once I save this, then I'm going to go inside of my shell and I'm going to run this. So using nodemon. So nodemon index.js, guys. I'll press enter. As you're able to see, index.js has started working. I will run this REPL to make sure that the website is opening up. Okay, I've got a particular module not found error, guys. Okay, I've got an error right over here, guys. Let us see what is the error. Let us see, guys, what is the error. Sometimes what happens is we might have to cannot find module blah 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 shadowy extract index.js. You don't even have to find it. Why are you trying to find it? Okay, why is this error coming up right over here? Run this REPL to see the hosted output. Where is my output? Through error, cannot file module, blah 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 blah. Why is that the case? Let's see, let us try to start the server once again. Okay, now we are not getting any kind of errors. Where is my particular page? I need to find my website as well. Why is the website link not coming up? No, node1 index.html. HTML is the website that we want to send, right? We are just running our code to see where is it. Let me check up the history. Might be in the history. I might find the website from yesterday. Let us see. Okay, so this is working fine, guys. The link I was not able to get, guys. I don't know why the link was not able to get. There's no error as well. As you're able to see, there's no error. The server has started on port 8000. If there will be any error, it will be shown right over here itself, guys. There's no error. The link I was not able to get, guys. That is the reason why I went back into history, because the link remains the same of your hosted website. So I got the link from right over there and I have opened it up. As you're able to see, we are getting hello world on our screen, guys. And if we go to / about that we created yesterday, then we are able to get this is burnt noodles. Both of it is working absolutely fine. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Both of them are working absolutely fine, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this, guys? Please let me know. Yes. Okay. So everything is working fine, guys. If just like me, if you guys are not able to find the particular URL, guys, and you also end up in the exact same particular place where you're not able to get the URL, just go to your history where you have previously opened up that same website, and you will get it from right over there. Okay. Sometimes these websites have that kind of problem. Okay. But nevertheless, it's just a particular glitch. You can just refresh the entire sandbox and run it once again, guys. Nevertheless, once that is working, now what we want to do is that we want to send index.html. We want to send index.html instead of hello world, guys. Okay. So inside of index.html, we will get a particular message. We will get a particular message right over here, guys, that is hello world, and then a particular exclamation mark, guys. Hello world and an exclamation mark. Right now we are just getting a hello world. If we go to our website right now, we're just getting a hello world, guys. So we want to send this HTML file. Let's go to our index.js, guys, and let's make some changes right over there. So instead of using res.send, we are going to use res.send file. Okay, we are going to use res.send file method. Now the problem with this particular method is that where is this particular file index.js currently situated at? We don't know. Okay, we want to send. Which file do we want to send? We want to send index.html, right? This is the file that we want to send. Okay, is able to understand this? We want to send this file index.html. But where is this particular file situated exactly within our computer? We don't know. If you save this and if you go to your website right now and try to refresh the page, you will get an error. You'll get an error saying type error. Path must be absolute or specify route to res.send file. So although we know that using res.send file, we can send the index.html, but to send it, we require the exact path to where this index.html is actually present. Let us see where our index.js file is present, because our index.js file and our index.html file are present in the same folder, right? Index.js and index.html are present in the exact same folder. Let us see where is our index.js file currently present. Now to check that, there is a particular command right over there, guys. There's a particular command right over there. The command basically states console.log __ dir name. Okay. This is the command, guys. __ dir name will give you the exact directory name, the exact path to the folder that this index.js is currently situated in. So our index.js is currently situated in the intro to Express folder, guys. So what is the exact path to that particular folder? Okay, where is it actually present in? So this __ dir name, that is an inbuilt function inside, inbuilt variable inside of your JavaScript, will give us the exact path to where our intro to Express folder is currently situated in. Let us console.log. So every time we are getting a get request, our entire dir name will get printed out inside of our console. So let us run this. Let us see what happens, guys. Let us save this. Let us go back to our website, refresh the page itself, guys. We'll of course cannot get / right over there because we haven't written what to do at the / location, so nothing is being sent right over there. We go to our shell, guys. As you're able to see, home, runner, shadowy, frosty, extraction, intro to Express is coming on our screen, guys. This is the exact path to the directory inside of which our index.js file is present. Now, if we want to get the path to our index.html, we just have to add in front of it / index.html. We just have to add in front of this exact statement / index.html. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. If I want to get the exact part to index.html, I have got the part to the particular folder itself, the particular directory itself. Then I just have to write / index.html to get the part to index.html. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please do let me know. Yes? So what we're going to do is we are going to use it right over here. So Control X. We're going to move back. We're going to uncomment this. We are going to add this right over here. Control V. Now underscore dir name comes as a string, guys. The data type of underscore dir name is a string. So we are going to concatenate / index.html to it. So concatenation basically means if I'm having two strings, hello and world, if I concatenate them together, then I will find one string called as hello world. That is what concatenation means. We are attaching two strings together to create one single string, guys. So here the first string is underscore dir name, that is the part to the current folder, and then the file that we want to access within that folder itself, guys. Now we save this, we go back to our website and refresh the page. As we are able to see, we are getting the index.html sent to our screen, guys. That is hello world with an exclamation point. We're getting hello world with an exclamation point right over there, guys. Are you guys able to see this? So now we are not sending a text. We are sending a file. That is our index.html file right over there. Please do not forget about underscore dir name. Many people make this mistake and then their websites don't function properly. Okay. I hope everybody is able to understand this. I hope everybody is able to understand this, guys. Yes? Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. I'm actually suffering from a little bit of cold. That's the reason why my voice might sound a little bit low today. But nevertheless, it might be okay by tomorrow. I hope so because I don't like to have a cold. So after getting the mail from DevTown for Campus Ambassador, just join the WhatsApp group. I hope so. I have provided you with WhatsApp group link. Also, the course link for the particular 30 hours of course I have also provided in that same email. So please join the WhatsApp group. Once you have joined the WhatsApp group, the further details will be provided on that group itself for the citizens. Okay. Right now, I'm going to take up the first attendance of today's class, guys. Please start filling up the attendance right now. Okay, the attendance link will be closed exactly at particular 8:43. The attendance link will be closed exactly at 8:43, guys. This is the first attendance of today's class. There will be two attendances right over there, guys. This is the first attendance of today's class. There will be two attendances. The attendance link will be closed exactly at 8:43. We will be continuing our class, guys. Uh, Pragya, if you have not received the call, do not worry. We are calling every single person. It might take us some time to reach out to you as well. Okay. Like I said, guys, at 8:43, the attendance will be closed. Please start filling up your attendance. Right now itself, there are two attendances in today's class. They will continue with our class, guys. We still have to learn about the post method. Get has been completed. Post, we will have to do it. Campus ambassador link is not working. Which campus ambassador link is not working? Which campus ambassador link is not working? Could you let me know? It's showing I've already filled it, even though I haven't. It's just not possible that it is showing you, right? It's Google, right? Okay, guys, we'll continue with our post, guys, because post is also left right now. Can you say something about Odo? I have no idea right now what is this Odo. I didn't get the email, but I've completed all the tasks. Just email it to me with the proof on shaurya.sinha@devtown.in. I'll make sure that I'm able to send you the email based upon the proof that you have completed the particular task. Okay, shaurya.sinha@devtown.in. Okay. Post is still left, guys. We have to complete the post. In the meanwhile, guys, those who have completed their attendance, do connect with DevTown, guys. So DevTown has the DevTown ID is there in the live in the particular description. We are having the DevTown LinkedIn page as well in the description. You can connect with me as well on Instagram and uh, LinkedIn. All of that information is there on the description of the video, guys. It will be great to connect with you guys as well. Talkie Tech, it will basically depend upon which particular group are you getting assigned to. An HR team of campus ambassadors will get different tasks. A marketing team will get different tasks. A content creation team will get different tasks. Or different tasks will be there. We'll get the certificates after 7 days, right? Absolutely yes, because the program is of 7 days. I didn't get DSA certificate from Amazon, Google, only DevTown. Rahul, I will check it up because I checked on LinkedIn. Most of the students have got the certificate. So could you please check your spam email? Sometimes the particular link gets sent to the spam emails as well. Most of the students who get the particular message actually get it on so the certificates they get it on and they post it on LinkedIn. Let me just check if I'm able to find somebody who has posted the certificates for the DSA one. What is this? So this particular student has got the certificates, as we are able to see, of Amazon as well as Google for data structures and algorithms using C++, even the DevTown certificate. So the certificates have been sent. Okay, guys, I'll close the attendance right now. Guys, students have got the certificates. Otherwise, how are they able to post it on LinkedIn? If the student receives the certificate, they post it on LinkedIn itself. So most of them have been posting it on LinkedIn right over there. That is the for the old boot camp, not for this boot camp, guys. This boot camp is not over. Okay. So my name is prepared wrong on the DSA certificate, Nitin. It's an automated process. So whatever name you have provided on the attendance sheet, that is the name that has got um on the certificates. Okay, so let's start with our class, guys. Let's continue with our class right over there. So let me open up our Repellent, guys. The next thing that we are going to learn about is what is post request. Okay, post request is very simple. You guys will easily be able to understand it. Let me open up OneNote, guys. Let me open up OneNote. It's very simple. I think so. You guys will easily able to understand it, guys. Okay, so where is my pen? How will I explain to you guys without my pen? Where is my pen? Give me a second, guys. I am not able to. Okay, I got my pen. Sorry. So about Flutter, please do not learn Flutter, guys. If you want to get into app development, okay, or mobile application development, that would be much more appropriate. Learn React Native, not Flutter. Okay. So right over here, let me delete everything and let me restart it. Okay, so right now what we are saying is that you are having your particular computer. Okay, you are having a particular computer, that is your user. You're having your server right over here. The user is making a request to get, okay, it is making a get request to get the files associated with showing a particular website to your user. Now in many of the cases, these websites also taken inputs from the user as well, and many times this input that the user gives in, okay, this input, so this is the submit button and this is the input that the user is getting. So input, okay, this is the input that the user is giving in. This input also needs to be transferred to the backend where the particular business logic is applied to utilize that particular input, and then the output needs to be sent back to you, the user. Are you guys able to understand this? Are you guys able to understand this? In many of the cases, this input that the user has provided, input that the user has provided needs to be sent to our backend where this input is utilized to provide some results, some calculation is done or some research is done, and that particular output is generated, and that output then gets sent to our particular user and the user is able to see that. So this is the output. For example, you enter a number inside of a particular website and or you submit your user ID and your password. So how is that user and ID and password sent to your backend? Now that backend then this utilizes multiple particular tools to actually check whether you are actually authenticated or not, and the output that will be sent to you is that yes, you are authenticated, welcome to Netflix. You're not authenticated, please stay out of this account. Right? That is what happens right over there, right? Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Kushagra Mishra, that is Ashish Modi. He is the other co-founder at DevTown. He's actually one of the best people if you want to learn data structures and algorithms, and he's also a data engineer as well. He's one of the best data engineers that you can ever meet. And if you really want to have some career tips from him, reach out to him, guys. He will also be very helpful. He's a super, super, super smart person, guys, and really, really, really well. Means he loves to help the community out. So he's Ashish Modi, and do reach out to him. He's the other co-founder at DevTown, guys. Okay. So this particular method is also called as the post request, guys. Okay, this method is called as the post request. Think about it as sending or posting a letter. So you are actually packing the entire details, okay, all this input into a particular letter, and then you're posting it. You're posting it to your backend. You're posting it to your backend, guys, where that information is then opened up and utilized, and then you're sending up an output right over there. This is also referred to as the post request, guys. Just like we have learned about the get request, this is called as the post request. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. This post request, what is this post request and how does it work? What is this post request and how does it work, guys? Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Yes. So right now, this is what we are going to do. We are going to have a front end, guys. We are going to have a front end where we are going to take in input from the user. Okay, we are going to take in two numbers, guys. Let's assume 12 and 5. And then this is a button called as submit, SUBMIT, submit. You're taking this particular input from the user, guys. This input is then going to be sent to our server. Okay, this input is then going to be posted to our server, guys. Inside of the server, post request. Inside of the server, this input is going to get utilized to generate an output, guys, and that output is going to be sent back to a user where he is able to see the output. Okay, that is our aim, guys. This is what we want to create, a simple application, guys, to understand post requests. Let us look at that right now, shall we? Okay, first we will require the particular HTML file. Let me check if I'm having the HTML file for you guys. Give me a second. DRIVE drive. Let's go to index.html, index.html. Okay. So I'll provide you guys with a link to this particular file, guys. Give me a second. Copy link. Manage access. Anyone with the link? Okay. So right over here, guys, in the live, in the particular description of the video, guys, in the description of the video, I'll be providing you guys with the link to this particular HTML file so that you guys are also able to use it. HTML file. Okay. Save. Okay. So right now, guys, if you look at, if you're not able to see it right now as well, please do refresh your website. You will be able to see it. Let me open this up using some other ID so that I am able to show it to you guys right over there. Okay. Just open up the profile from right over here. Okay. So this is the video that you guys are currently watching, guys. Okay. This is the video that you guys are currently watching. I'm opening up the particular thing. So right over here, guys, this is the video that you guys are currently watching. If you go down to the description of the video, you will be able to see this HTML file in the description, guys. If you go down to the description of the video, you will be able to see this HTML file link right over there, guys. Along with that, like I've already said, you can connect with us on LinkedIn and Instagram on the DevTown account. You can connect with me as well as Ashish from right over here. So definitely join us. It will be great to see you guys right over there. So if you click on this particular HTML file, guys, it will open up a particular file for you. You can directly download it from right over here. Just click on this particular button and it will download the index.html file for you. This is the HTML file that we will be using right now. Okay, this is the HTML file that we will be using right now, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Okay. So right now we'll go back to our Repellent, guys. We'll go back to our Repellent. We'll go to our file system. We'll delete our index.html file because we don't need to use it. So we'll just delete our index.html file. Yes, delete file. And we'll upload the new file right over here. Okay, so we'll upload the new file right over here, guys. That is index.html. So index.html, let us upload it right over here, guys. Once we uploaded it, so for me it is showing index1, so I'm just going to rename it to index.html. Okay, done. And then as you're able to see, this index.html is currently present outside our intro to Express, guys. Index.html is present outside our intro to Express. We are going to shift it to our intro to Express, guys. Once we have done this, we'll go back to our website and refresh our page. As you're able to see, now the new index.html file is getting sent to us, guys, instead of the old one. So this is the simple calculator HTML file that I've already created for you guys. I've already provided to you guys the file inside of the description as well. So you don't have to worry about that. Now that you are able to see it right over here, this is what we're going to use in the future classes. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Okay, many of you guys are saying that I've missed my attendance due to network issues and so on and so forth. No issues in that, guys. If you're missing one attendance, you will still get your certificates. So I take that into account that there might be a network issue on one day, but if it is happening on 2 days, 3 days, then that means that you're not present in the class, you're not listening to the class properly, right? So that is nothing that I can do for it. But at the end of the day, missing one class, 1 day of attendance is totally fine. Okay, do not worry about it. So I want everybody to reach up till here. We'll continue this from our tomorrow's class, guys. Can you guys do that? Can you guys do that? Can you guys reach up till here as an assignment? There's not a lot that you have to do. You have to learn about send file method. You have to learn about underscore dir name. You have to download and upload the index.html file. You have to make sure that everything is working fine. Can you guys do that today, guys? The code, that is the index.html file, is present in the description of the video, guys. If you are not able to see this, just refresh or reload the particular video. You will be able to see it, guys. Will that be fine? Please let me know. Okay, so we'll meet in our tomorrow's class and we'll continue from right over there. Please make sure, how is the box made without CSS? Using HTML. So using HTML, you can create these input boxes. So these are input fields, guys, not boxes. And this is a button right over here. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. We'll meet in our tomorrow's class and we'll continue from right over there. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.